All right, what's up, everybody? Now, I'm sure you've heard about this Shiba Inu Coin mania going on right now. This is the latest meme coin in a long line of memes. Meme stocks were also a thing too. We had AMC, the dying movie theater brand, GameStop, the dying video game selling franchise, along with plenty of others. Then for cryptos, we had multiple memes like the Tiger King coin, the Safe Moon Inu coin, but the most recognizable of the memes was, of course, the Dogecoin. This completely worthless cryptocurrency went up about 14x over the span of about 2 weeks. It came quickly crashing down back to the original price around 2 months later. So this is a phenomenon called the pump and dump, where a group of people will pump up a stock, a crypto, or some other financial instrument well beyond its actual value, just so the group that got in early on the price can quickly exit. The price can go up ridiculous amounts, 5x, 10x, even 100x in some cases within a very short amount of time, just a couple of weeks, over the course of just a couple of weeks or just a couple of days. So the people that bought in the beginning end up with crazy, unheard of profits, while everyone else ends up losing out. The problem with investing in these meme stocks and coins is that the actual stock or the coin itself doesn't really have any value. If you take a company like Apple, for example, this is a company that consistently turns profit every year, usually around $100 million every single year for quite a few years now. So pretty much everyone I know uses an iPhone. It's a worldwide known brand that is synonymous with quality, and their stores are pretty much an art installation most of the time. I mean, some of these stores are like historic landmarks within the cities that they're built in. Even though Apple's prices are much higher than the competition, people continue to buy them. So a company with stats like that is worth an investment. You know they're going in the right direction, their past proves their track record, and they'll likely continue to make good business moves well into the future. So to invest in a company like that is a no-brainer. Now let's look at our latest meme coin, the Shiba Inu Coin. This coin has absolutely no value whatsoever. Cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology are being used for some really forward-thinking things. The OG crypto Bitcoin is a currency which can't be subjected to any human tampering. There's no way to create any more Bitcoins. The currency is pretty much immune to human corruption. You see the issues we're currently having with the government's printing an excessive amount of new money. I'm sure you've seen the ridiculous gas prices we're paying now. It's went up almost double here. Not to mention the grocery store items costing way more as well. So Bitcoin was created to solve problems. You can transfer it to anyone, anywhere in the world. It has many benefits over fiat currencies like your dollar, euro, your yen, the currencies we trade over here at the Currency Collective. There are many other worthy cryptos like Ethereum, which actual applications are being built on the network. Then you have currencies like Monero. This coin is what they call a privacy coin. If you ever needed to transfer money to someone without the threat of the transaction being tracked or followed, you would use that coin. So there are many cryptos and stocks that are actually worth your investment. Pump and dumps like the Shiba Inu coin will eventually go back down to where their price actually should be, which in my opinion is close to zero. It doesn't bring any value to the table. It never will, and neither will any of these other meme coins. So if you happen to get lucky and get in on one of these meme pump and dump schemes early, congratulations. Make sure you get out of there before the big sell-off and consider yourself lucky. There's no real way to time these things, and there are so many memes to choose from, you won't know which one will pop and which one won't. Really, the only way to make money in these type of schemes is to already have a bunch of money, put a little bit into all of the meme coins, and then just wait to see which one pops. That's the only way I can think of. Otherwise, you wouldn't know which meme coin is going to be the next big craze. If you don't get in super early, then you won't make any real gain from it. And since they are essentially valueless, you'll never know when it's going to crash, but it will eventually crash. So in my opinion, it's much better to place your investment into stocks and cryptos that are actually worth something and providing some type of value that will cause their price to go up and stay up. And by the way, I did put a little bit of money into the Shiba Inu coin just to see what it felt like to participate in the meme mania, since I had never done it before. So far, since I bought it, the coin came down 25%, and now it's almost back up to break even where I bought it. So that was the first and the last time that I'll ever do that. There's no rhyme or reason as to why the price is going up or down. I have no idea whether or not I should even bother keeping my small investment in there. All of my smart investments have made me lots of money so far, so this is the first time I feel like I should actually get out of it early. So I suggest that you just stick to the real stuff. If you want to throw a little bit of cash into one of these every once in a while just for fun, go ahead, but definitely don't put any significant amount of money into a pump and dump with hopes of actually making any gains. Invest your money responsibly and you will profit handsomely. Alright, so that's all for today. Make sure you like the video if you like the content and or you learned something new today. Give me a sub to learn more about day trading Forex and also long-term investing, and I'll see you guys later.